I want to search 100 keywords on YouTube, and I don't want to have to type these in. So if I go to youtube.com and I search for this particular phrase, I see my video. And I want to make sure that my videos are showing up in YouTube search and on Google and on other things. So I want to search this and see what shows up. And I want to be able to give this to someone else, like an assistant or someone who doesn't have my profile and doesn't have all of my search history, and see, does Better Sheets show up? And so I want to give them a URL here. Instead of having to copy paste this all the time, I want to be like, hey, open up these 100 tabs and be done. And not be done, but go ahead and check it. I need a URL here that is like this. And here, I'll show you the URL. So for that URL, it's youtube.com/results search query equals how to alphabetize Google Sheets, but with a plus sign in between. So I can actually take this URL and put and encode URL and use this A2 as a reference. And let's see how that works. Let's just open this link now and see this is already searching. So all I have to do is copy paste this down, right? And now I can see how to sort Google Sheets. That is showing up in search right there. So this is a direct link now to this key phrase on YouTube. So we'll say YouTube URL, and then we want to also do a Google URL here. And so Google, let's go to Google and see this. This is going to be the URL here. Let's go back and copy paste it. So it's going to say google.com/search Q equals. And again, we're going to do the exact same thing. Put an equal sign in front, put this in quotes, add an ampersand, and then encode URL of A2. And we can apply that to the whole table. Let's apply this to the whole table. And now this is a really cool sheet that I can literally copy paste or select all of these, right click, view more cell actions, open links. Now this is going to open 100 tabs. I don't want to do that. Let's do the first 4. Right click, view more cell actions, open links. And now I have 4 tabs open, and I can go quickly see, is Better Sheets showing up for these or not? And if not, I can go and fix it, right? But again, I want to try to get this to someone who doesn't have my search profile. Now, if you're looking for something similar, like you want to actually search a key phrase over, let's say, 60 sites or 100 sites, I have another product, and it is absolutely free, by the way. It's called SheetLord. Just go to bettersheets.co/SheetLord, and you can search the entire web with one phrase over, actually, this is wrong. It's not 50 searchable platforms. It's over 60 now. This is exactly what you get with SheetLord, is all of these URLs, and you can search for one keyword. And there's a bunch of categories here. There's a bunch of different search sites like Google Scholar, Open Library, Amazon, ChatGPT, Google Maps, Quora, Fiverr, Trello, Stack Overflow, Google Fonts, even Shutterstock, Pexels, Unsplash, all these kinds of, oh my God, there's almost 70 now. Search one key phrase on all of these sites and get an exactly the same thing we just showed you in this video, is get these openable links directly in your Google Sheet. And I think that's really cool to be able to search now 100 keywords on one site. I think it's pretty fun. Hope you enjoy. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.